morning. How are you all? Are you fine? Vana. Okay. Then, you have any doubt in yesterday's class? Any doubt, anybody? Huh? I think you have doubts. Okay. Then, next topic is solar system. Globe കൊണ്ടുവരാം. ഗ്ലോബ് കൊണ്ടുവരാം. ഗ്ലോബ് അടുത്ത ദിവസം കൊണ്ടുവരാം. ഗ്ലോബ് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ പഠിപ്പിക്കേണ്ട, അതും കൂടെ പഠിപ്പിച്ച് അടുത്ത ദിവസം ഗ്ലോബ് കൊണ്ടുവരാം കേട്ടാ. ഓക്കെ, I will show the next class. Okay. Yesterday we learned about globe. Okay, what is globe? What is a globe? Adityan Sunil Kumar, what is a globe? Please unmute and say the answer. Adityan.
A globe. Globe is the best way to study the earth.
Globe is the best way to study the earth. Okay, very good. Then, what is continent, Sai Krishnan? Please unmute.
The large masses of land are called continents.
Okay, very good. Then, Lakshmi Priya, which are the 7 continents?
Asia, Africa, South Africa, North America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia.
Okay, very good. Then, what is oceans? Akmaya? Akmaya, what is oceans? Please unmute. Akmaya mole onnu unmute ചെയ്തേ. What is oceans?
Ocean.
You don't know? Grace, please help Akmaya. What is oceans?
The largest bodies of water on the earth are called oceans.
Okay, very good. Akmaya, please say. Parne, the large bodies of water. The large bodies of water on the earth. Are called
ocean.
Okay, good. Then Muhammad Shihabas. Muhammad, how many oceans? The previous class we studied about 4 oceans. Which are they? Name please. Which are the 4 oceans? Josie, please help Muhammad Shahbaz. Josie. Edwin, please help Muhammad Shahbaz. Onnu Muhammadine sahayiche Edwine. Name the 4 oceans.
Miss പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? Which are the 4 oceans?
ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
Angel, can you hear? Angel, can you hear? Yes. Please unmute and say the answer. Which are the 4 oceans?
They are Pacific, Arctic, and Indian.
Okay, very good. There are 4 oceans. Which are they? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic. Okay. Then already studied 7 continents and 4 oceans. Any doubt? Huh? Can you follow me? If you can, please raise your hand. Okay. Then next one, rotation and revolution. What is rotation and what is revolution? Did you hear rotation and revolution? Anybody can hear? You know rotation and revolution? Rotation and revolution and the kai makale. What is rotation? What is revolution? Okay. Hannah Rose, what is rotation? Please unmute and say.
The movement of the earth on its axis once every 24 hours.
Very good. Hannah, give a clap. For Hannah, all of you give a clap. Okay, very good. The movement of the earth on its axis. Rotation. Then the earth makes one rotation every 24 hours. The earth may complete one rotation in every 24 hours. Clear? But a rotation is 24 hours. Then what is revolution? What is revolution? Angel. Angel, kai book namukku nokkam. Angel, the revolution.
The earth is not only rotating on its axis, it is also moving around the sun.
Earth is moving around the sun is known as
movement is called revolution.
Okay, good. Then rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. It has take 24 hours. Then earth moves its own axis. That is rotation. Then the earth makes one rotation every 24 hours. Abel Binoy, listen here. Sit straight. Josie Joseph, sit straight. Okay. Then listen, the earth makes one rotation every 24 hours. The rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. We feel day and night. Okay. Then day and night the rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. Then the side of the earth that turned away from the sun has night, while the side that towards it has day. Then the movement of the earth on its axis is known as rotation. It has take 24 hours or 1 day. Then the side of the earth that is turned away from the sun. Suryanil തിരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന ഭാഗം നമുക്ക് രാത്രിയും സൂര്യനോട് അഭിമുഖമായി നിൽക്കുന്ന ഭാഗം പകലുമായിരിക്കും. Okay. Yes. Then revolution എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് the movement of the earth around the sun. അല്ലേ? Earth is not only rotating, but it is also moving around the sun. Earth is not only rotating, but it also moving around the sun. That is known as revolution. Clear? The movement of the earth around the sun is known as revolution. It takes 365 days and 6 hours. Then revolution എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എത്രയാണ്? It takes 365 days and 6 hours. 365 6 മണിക്കൂറും അല്ലേ? That is 1 year. Clear? All of you listen. I say once more. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. It has take 24 hours or 1 day. Then revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It has take 365 days and 6 hours. That is 1 year. Okay? Understood? മനസ്സിലായോ? Yes. Then, നോക്ക്. Then 6 hours ഉണ്ടല്ലേ, 365 and 6 hours. Then ആ 6 hours അവിടെ വെക്കുക. അങ്ങനെ 4 വർഷം, ഇന്ന് ഈ വർഷത്തെ 6 hours നെക്സ്റ്റ് വർഷത്തെ 6 hours അങ്ങനെ 4 വർഷത്തെ 6 hours വെച്ചാൽ എത്ര hours കിട്ടും മക്കളെ? Grace, please unmute. Each year is 365 days and 6 hours. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു 365 ദിവസവും 6 മണിക്കൂറുമാണ് ഒരു വർഷം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ? അതായത് റെവല്യൂഷൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ 6 ദിവസം എന്നുള്ളത് അവിടെ വെക്കുക. 4 ഒരു വർഷത്തിലെ 6 മണിക്കൂർ അവിടെ മാറ്റി വെച്ചാൽ 4 വർഷമാകുമ്പോ എത്ര മണിക്കൂറാവും? We studied about rotation and revolution. Then revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It has take 365 days and 6 hours. Then every 4 hours we can see April 29. That is leap year. Clear? അതാണ് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ എന്താണ് 4 വർഷം കൂടുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരു ദിവസം അധികം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഇല്ലേ? 4 വർഷം കൂടുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ദിവസം അധികം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുണ്ട്. എല്ലാം 6 മണിക്കൂറാണ്. 6 മണിക്കൂറുള്ളത് കൂട്ടി 4 വർഷം ആകുമ്പോൾ 24 hours ആവും. അതൊരു ഡേ ആവും. അതാണ് എന്ത്? April 29. That is known as leap year. Okay? Any doubts? Are you okay? Please raise your hand like this. Okay. I think you are okay. Then next one, look. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes season, or the revolution of the earth around the sun causes season. During the summer season there is more daylight. During the winter season less daylight. Then during the spring and autumn season both of them are same. Clear? The revolution causes seasons. Clear? Revolution causes seasons. Then during the summer season we feel more daylight. Ade kore pagali. Then during the winter season we feel less daylight. അതായത് പകല് കുറവായിരിക്കും. നേരത്തെ സന്ധ്യ ആവുന്നില്ല ചില സമയങ്ങളില്. വിന്റർ സീസണിൽ വേഗം സന്ധ്യ ഇരുട്ടാവൂലേ? യെസ്. അതുപോലെ സമ്മർ സീസണിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? സന്ധ്യ ആയാലും നല്ല വെളിച്ചം ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? യെസ്. Then during the spring and autumn season both of them are same. Then some day and light are equal. Clear? These are the causes of revolution. Clear? Then listen. ഒന്നും കൂടെ പറയാം. എന്താ? Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It has take 365 and 6 hours or 1 year. Every 4 years these 6 hours are together and make 1 day. That is leap year. Okay? Leap year എത്ര ദിവസം ഉണ്ടാവും? ഏപ്രിൽ 29 അല്ലേ? Okay. Then revolution of the earth causes seasons. Then during the summer season we feel more daylight. During the winter season we feel during less daylight. During the spring season and autumn season day and night are equal. Adul KV, can you understand? Please unmute. Can you understand? Please unmute.
Yes.
മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ മോനെ? Okay. Shisa Fatima, can you understand? Okay. Then all of you read your textbook. Read your textbook.
Miss,
Yes.
I have no textbook.
Who have? Edwin. Where's your textbook? Please come to the school and collect your textbook. Okay.
Yes, I also not have textbook.
Who? Raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Muhammad Ruwais, you have no textbook?
No.
Why? Where's your textbook? Why don't have? Please come to the school today, okay?
Yes.
And bring your textbook. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Miss,
Yes.
first മുതലേ വായിക്കണ്ടേ?
Rotation and revolution. Please become rotation and revolution.
Yes.
Can you understand rotation and revolution, Sai Krishna? Yes. Okay. All of you read rotation and revolution. If you have any doubt about rotation and revolution, ask me. I will clear it. Okay?
Miss,
Oh, yes.
February 29 days അല്ലേ?
Sorry, April അല്ല February. മാറിപ്പോയി മോനെ February. April അല്ല February ട്ടാ. മാറിപ്പോയതാ. മക്കളെ, all of you listen. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. It has take 24 hours or 1 day. Then revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It has take 365 days and 6 hours. Then these 6 hours in each year has 6 hours, 365 and 6 hours. These 6 hours make together and every 4 year we can get 1 day, that is leap year. Okay. Then leap year, February has 29 days, not April 29. February 29 ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? Each 4 years we got 29 days in February, that is leap year. Okay. Then the revolution of the earth causes seasons. During the summer season we feel more daylight. During the winter season we feel less daylight. During the spring and autumn season we feel equal day and equal night. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Please say fill in the blanks ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
ചെയ്യണം. Then any doubts?
No.
Okay. I am going to ask some questions. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then Muhammad Shahid, what is rotation, Muhammad?
The rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night.
What is rotation, Muhammad?
Rotation of the earth. The rotation of the earth. The rotation of the earth on its.
Please say the earth makes one rotation every 24 hours. Okay. The movement of the earth on its axis is known as rotation. Say loudly. The movement of the earth.
The movement of the earth
On its axis is known as rotation. Okay. Edwin, what is revolution? What is revolution?
ഇത്രയൊന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ മാത്രം എഡ്വിന് കേൾക്കൂല അല്ലേ എഡ്വിനെ?
അതിലൊരു മിനിറ്റ് ടീച്ചറെ സൗണ്ട് കുറച്ച് വെച്ചേക്കോ.
Can you hear now?
Yes.
What is revolution? Then Edwin say the movement of the earth
The movement of the earth
around the sun
around the sun
is known as revolution.
is known as
Okay. Then Sai Krishna, what is leap year? What is leap year, Sai Krishna?
366 days.
Once more, please, Sai Krishnan. Once more, please. Every fourth year.
Every 4 years. 366. 66
Days.
This
Leap year. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Then any doubts? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും സംശയമുണ്ടോ?
Yeah.
Then today we studied rotation and revolution. Okay. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. It takes 24 hours. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It takes 365 days and 6 hours. Okay. Then every fourth year has 366 days. That is known as leap year. Okay. Leap year ഫെബ്രുവരിയിൽ എത്ര ദിവസം ഉണ്ടാവും മക്കളെ? February has 29 days in a leap year.
29 days.
Okay.
Yes.
എത്ര വർഷം കൂടുമ്പോഴാ ഫെബ്രുവരിയിൽ 29 ദിവസം ഉണ്ടാവുക?
4.
Each 4 years. Okay. Then we studied the causes of the movement of the earth or the rotation causes seasons. Rotation causes seasons. During the summer season, we feel more daylight. During the winter season, less daylight. Then during this autumn and spring season, both of them are same or equal day and equal night. Okay.
Okay.
സംശയമൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ?
No.
Then I will give the homework through the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
All of you do your homework today itself. Okay. Do your homework today without fail.
Miss, ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ അയച്ചു തരുമോ?
ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ അയച്ചു. Okay. I will send the homework through WhatsApp after my class. Okay. So do your homework today without fail. ഇന്ന് തന്നെ എഴുതണം, നാളത്തേക്ക് ആക്കരുത്. അന്നുള്ള homework അന്നു തന്നെ ചെയ്യുക. Okay. Yes. All of you read your lesson carefully. Then if you have any doubt, please ask me on next class. Okay.
Yes.
Read your textbook how many times? 3 times.
Yes.
And put your parents' sign. Okay. Read it textbook 3 times with carefully. Otherwise, okay. Okay. Our time is going to over. So, wind up here. Okay.
Bye, Miss.
Okay. Bye bye. Tata. See you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Welcome. Tata. Bye bye. See you on next class.
Miss, ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് വന്നോ?
ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് വന്നില്ല എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു മോനെ, അറിയില്ലല്ലോ. വാട്സപ്പിൽ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുമായിരിക്കും വന്നാല്. ഓക്കെ, വന്നോന്ന് അറിയില്ല, ഞാൻ നോക്കിട്ട് വാട്സപ്പിൽ മെസ്സേജ് ഇടാം കേട്ടോ, ടെക്സ്റ്റ് വന്നെങ്കിൽ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ബൈ ബൈ, ടാറ്റാ, സി യു.